A man once hiccuped non-stop for 68 years, making him the world's most famous hiccup sufferer. Charles Osborne started hiccuping in 1922 and didn't stop until 1990, hiccuping up to 40 times a minute at his peak. Doctors tried everything, breathing into bags, frightening him, medications, but nothing worked. His hiccups became so relentless that he learned to eat and talk around them, adapting every part of his life. Over the decades, Osborne's case drew the attention of medical experts and curious people worldwide. He even appeared on television, sharing his story with millions who couldn't believe someone could live with such a bizarre and exhausting condition. Despite the endless hiccups, Osborne managed to build a life, marry twice, and have 8 children, all while enduring what's considered one of the longest-known cases of hiccups in history.